Good morning students. Today we will discuss the different trigonometric values for different angles and different trigonometric ratios. How to learn in a simple way. So no need to memorize the values. आपको क्या करना है कि यहाँ पे एक टेबल ड्रॉ करना है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट हियर थीटा में थीटा दैट मीन्स 0 डिग्री फर्स्ट कॉलम में, फिर 30 डिग्री 45 डिग्री 60 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री. आफ्टर दैट बिलो 0 डिग्री यू हैव टू राइट डिजिट 0, देन 1, देन 2, 3 एंड 4. ओके. After that you have to divide each digit by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Okay. After that give the root sign. Root 0 by 4, under root of 1 by 4, under root of 2 by 4, under root of 3 by 4, under root of 4 by 4. Now below that row you have to write here sin theta. That means whatever the value we will get here, that is the sin 0 degree, and this one is a sin 30 degree or a sin 45 degree. Now 0 by 4, 0 by anything means 0. Okay, so sin 0 is 0. Okay, now under root of 1 by 4, we know that root 1 means 1 and under root of 4 means 1 by 2. Okay, now 2 1s are 2, 1 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, so what is the value of sine of 45 degree here? Under root, what we get here? 1 by 2. So 1 by root 2. Then sine of 60 degree. Root 3 means under root 3. Under root of 4 means 2. So root 3 by 2. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 1. What is remaining here? Under root of 1. Under root of 1 means 1. This is the value of sine value for different angles. Means sin 0 is 0, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and sin of 90 degree means 1. What we did here, we just make a table. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, एक टेबल बनाया. उसमें पहले तो एंगल्स लिखे. 0 डिग्री थीटा मीन्स एंगल, 0 डिग्री 30 डिग्री 45 डिग्री 60 डिग्री एंड 90 डिग्री. उसके बाद में हमने वहां पे नीचे डिजिट्स लिखे. 0 के नीचे 0, 1, 30 के नीचे 45 के नीचे 2, फिर 60 के नीचे 3 और 90 के नीचे 4. फिर हर एक डिजिट को हमने 4 से डिवाइड किया. मीन्स 0 by 4, 1 by 4 एंड 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. आफ्टर दैट वी टुक द स्क्वायर रूट हियर. फिर हमने क्या किया कि स्क्वायर रूट लगा दिया. स्क्वायर रूट लगाने के बाद में, कैंसिलेशन के बाद में जो भी वैल्यूज हमको मिली वो हमने यहाँ पे लिखी. दैट इज द साइन रेशो. मीन्स साइन ऑफ 0 डिग्री इज 0, साइन ऑफ 30 डिग्री इज 1 by 2, साइन ऑफ 45 डिग्री इज 1 by root 2, साइन ऑफ 60 डिग्री इज root 3 by 2, साइन ऑफ 90 डिग्री इज 1. अगर आप इस तरह से टेबल ड्रॉ करते हो तो आपको वैल्यूज लर्न करने की जरूरत नहीं. आपने एग्जाम में भी एक साइड में एक छोटा सा टेबल बनाया तो भी आपको 90 डिग्री तक की वैल्यूज इजीली आप निकाल सकते हो. देन ये हो गया साइन का. अभी आपको लिखना है कॉस थीटा. अब कॉस 0 निकालना है तो सिंपल वे यू हैव टू राइट इन अ रिवर्स ऑर्डर. जो भी वैल्यू साइन की है तो इधर से हम लेफ्ट से राइट से लिखेंगे. तो क्या होगा, व्हाट इज द एंडिंग ऑफ दिस वन? 1. सो यहाँ पे 1 आएगा. फिर इधर से जा रहे हैं हम इन दिस वे. सो रूट 3 by 2, फिर नेक्स्ट इज 1 by root 2, देन 1 by 2 और 0. क्या किया हमने, कॉस की वैल्यूज निकालते टाइम जो भी हमारी साइन की वैल्यूज आई वो हमने रिवर्स ऑर्डर में फ्रॉम बैक टू फ्रंट लिख दिया. देन we want the value of tan theta. Now what is the tan? Tan means, tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Now what for 0 degree? Tan of 0 degree, what is the value of sin? That is 0 by 1. 1 by 0 is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Then for the second value, what is the sin value of 30 degree? That is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So we can reverse it. 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. 2 get cancelled. What is remaining here? 1 by under root of 3. So this is the value of next angle. Okay. 1 by root 3. Then tan of 45 degree. What is the value of 45 degree? For 45 degree, sin value is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Now 1 by root 2 into root 2 by 1. This get cancelled. What is remaining? 1. That means tan of 45 degree is 1. Now tan of 60 degree. For 60 degree. Now what is the value of sin 60 degree? That is root 3 by 2. And what is the value of sin of cos of 60 degree? That is 1 by 2. So we can write in a multiplication order. So reverse order of this one is 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. What is remaining here? Root 3. This is the value of tan of 60 degree. Now we want the tan of 90 degree. What is the for 90 degree? Now again, tan means sin by cos. What is the value of sin 90? Is 1. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means it is a infinity. In this way, we got the values of sin for different angles and cos for different angles and tan for different angles. Now, the cosec theta. Now, we know that cosec means what? 1 by sin. Means we have to take the reverse of sin. Reciprocal of sin. Okay. What is the reciprocal of this one for 0 degree? 1 by 0. Now 1 by 0 means it is a infinity. So write here infinity. Then reciprocal of for 30 degree. Now what is the value of sin 30 degree? 1 by 2. So 1 upon 1 by 2. What is the answer? 2. Okay. Then in this way we will calculate the cosec for different angles. Then cosec of 45 degree. What is the sine of 45 degree? 1 by root 2. What is the reciprocal of this one? Root 2. Right. Then cosec of 60 degree. What is the sine of this one? Sine of 60 degree. That is root 3 by 2. What is the reciprocal of this one? 2 by root 3. Okay. Then what is the value of cosec of 90 degree? Cosec means 1 by sine. So for 90 degree. What is that? Sine of 90 degree. 1 upon 1 means it is 1. Okay. This is the value of cosec theta for different angles. Means cosec of 0 degree is infinity, cosec of 30 degree is 2, cosec of 45 degree is root 2, and cosec of 60 degree is 2 by root 3, and cosec of 90 degree is 1. Now, the second ratio is sec theta. Now, what is the sec? What is the sec theta? Sec means 1 by cos theta. Means again reciprocal of cos theta. Now, sec of 0 degree. for 0 degree. Now listen. 1 upon cos. Cos, what is the value of cos theta for 0 degree? That is 1. That means sec 0 degree is 1. So write here 1. Then cosec for 30 degree. Okay. Now cosec of 30 degree means, sec of 30 degree means reverse reciprocal of cos, means 2 by 1 upon root 3 by 2. That means 2 by root 3. Right? It is a reciprocal of this cos value. 2 by root 3. Now sec of 45 degree. Now what is the reciprocal of this 1 by root 2? That is root 2. Then sec of 60 degree. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? That is 2. Then what is the reciprocal of 0? 0 means 1 by 0. So 1 by 0 is infinity. Okay. Then that means if you look at the cosec and sec value, so look at the cosec values, that is infinity, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. If you write for the sec theta in reverse order from back to front, then this first value here, last value here first, then 2 by root 3, root 2, मीन्स अगेन इट इज द सेम एज अ साइन. साइन की वैल्यूज हमने निकाली थी, फिर कॉस का लिखते टाइम हमने रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखा. वैसे ही आप, अगर आपको कैलकुलेशन नहीं आता है तो आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो कि सेक के लिए आप कोसेक की जो भी वैल्यूज आई वो पूरी रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिख डालो. दैट इज द वैल्यूज ऑफ कोसेक थीटा फॉर different angles, cosec and sec. Now what is remaining? Sine is there, cos is there, tan is there, cosec is there, sec is there. Now what is remaining? That is cot of theta. Now what is the cot? Cot means 1 by tan, means it is the reciprocal of this one, tan theta. Otherwise you can calculate like this. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Now for 0 degree, what is the value of cos theta for 0 degree? That is 1. What is the value of sin theta for 0 degree? 0. So 1 by 0 is infinity. So write here infinity. Then for the 30 degree, what is the value of, now for 30 degree, what is the value of cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Then what is the value of sin of 30 degree? That is 1 by 2. So write here 1 by 2. Write in a remove this division sign, then here multiplication 2 by 1. 2 get cancelled. What is remaining? Root 3. Okay. So root 3. Now for cot of 45 degree. Now for 45 degree. Now cot means against cos by sin. What is the value of cos 45 degree? That is 1 by root 2. Sin 45 degree 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 into root 2 by 1. When the division sign, we remove the division, here is multiplication and it goes in numerator. So root 2 get cancelled. What is remaining here? 1. Means cot of 45 degree is 1. Now cot of 60 degree. Again, what is the value of for 60 degree? What is the value of cos 45 degree? Cos 60 degree, that is 1 by 2. And what is the value of sin 60 degree? That is root 3 by 2. So it becomes 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. Again 2 get cancelled. What is remaining? 1 by root 3. This is the value of cot 60 degree. So what is our value? 1 by root 3. Now the last one is remaining, cot of 90 degree. That means cot of 90 degree. For 90, again cot means cos by sine. What is the value of cos 90 degree? That is 0. What is the value of sine 90 degree? 1. So it is 0 by any digit means it is 0. Okay. So here is 0. This is the simple way to draw the trigonometric values for different angle. Okay. Now listen. Again we will discuss how to remember this one. This is very simple. First you have to make one table. Make 6 columns. Write here theta means angles. First angle is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Below that 0 write down the digit 0. Then below 30 degree write down the 1. Then 2, 3 and 4. After that divide each digit. हर एक को आपको 4 से डिवाइड करना है. फिर उसके बाद में स्क्वायर रूट लेना है. ओके. After that write down the trigonometric ratio, that is a sin theta. For sin 0, under root of 0 by 4 means 0 by any digit means it is 0. So 0. Then under root 1 means 1. Then under root of 4 means 2. In that way you will get the value of sin up to 90 degree. For the cos, what we did here, write in a reverse order from back to front. पीछे से लिखना है. साइन की जो भी वैल्यूज आई, जो लास्ट थी वो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट आएगी. इन दैट वे दिस इज द कॉस. देन tan. व्हाट इज द सिंपल फॉर्मूला फॉर tan? tan मीन्स sin theta by cos theta. Write down, calculate it. You will get 0, 1 by root 3, 1 and root 3 and infinity. Okay. Then cosec. For cosec means it is, cosec means 1 by sine, means reciprocal of sine values. 1 by 0 means infinity. Then 1 upon 1 by 2 means 2, root 2. In that way you will get the value of cosec theta. अब sec की वैल्यू लिखते टाइम आप इसका रिवर्स भी लिखे तो भी चलता है, या फिर sec means 1 by cos. अदरवाइज यू हैव टू राइट, जो भी cosec की वैल्यूज है वो बैक से फ्रंट तक लिखनी है. आपको sec की वैल्यूज मिल जाएंगी. नाउ cot. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर cot? Cos by sin theta. Write in that, get the different values. Otherwise, simple way that write the all values of tan in reverse order. इसमें भी आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो, cot की वैल्यूज पीछे से फ्रंट तक लिखते जाना है. जो भी आपको tan की मिली है वो cot में, जैसे हमने sin cos में किया, sec cosec में किया, वैसे ही इसमें कर सकते हो. This is the simple way to learn the trigonometric values for different angles. No need to memorize it. It is very simple. इस तरह से अगर आप याद रखते हो तो you will get out of marks in trigonometry. Okay. Thank you.